application to the edge? Well, typically you have to make copies of the data. Copies of the data equal massive risk. You're creating exposures for security and for governance and potential regulatory violations. So being able to manage the data in that sense is very challenging. Additionally, a lot of the high availability and disaster recovery techniques that enterprises have developed over the years to ensure application availability don't really exist in that hybrid cloud environment, especially as you're bringing together your core data center with the edge and with the cloud. What we have built with Spectrum Fusion is a platform for building and deploying containerized applications, whether you're deploying them on-prem, in the cloud, or at the edge. We do all the data handling for you. We provide a consistent set of storage services that can be consumed by DevOps into the application. You don't have to worry about backup. You don't have to worry about DR. That is done based on policies.
So, we targeted one of the 15 largest banks in the world to prove this, and we were able to get it up and running in less than 5 hours. It was really amazing.
So we're really excited about Spectrum Fusion, and don't just take our word for it, ask us and we'll come do a demo for you.